Okay, so guys, welcome you all, and myself Dinesh Kumar, and I'm a organizer for team IGC. And in this session, we are going to discuss uh, about the course provided by team IGC for GATE 2020, uh, GATE 2023 and 2024. Okay, 23 and 24. So yeah. So this course will be completely online and there is no offline classes included in this course, okay, which we are going to discuss. And this is for Feb batch, which is upcoming batch from Feb 20. And in this course, like as I mentioned, throughout we'll be taking online session like we have done for GATE 2021 and 2022 as well, okay. So classes will not be much different from offline classes. If you attend our classes, like you can speak easily, you can ask any number of doubts during classes, before class, after class, okay. And uh, after taking 2 years of online classes, we found it online classes are more edges than offline classes in terms of flexibility, in terms of availability of resources are more in online classes compared to offline classes. And since GATE is a theoretical competitive exam, so which I personally feel offline classes may not require if you are really interested in good learning, okay. Because IGC has its own way of delivering steps. Like we keep steps as simple as and as offline as possible, okay. And about myself, my name is Dinesh Kumar, and most of you might have interacted with me before taking admission or for getting information. I have passed my GATE in 2009 with AR 41 in GATE Aerospace Engineering, and I have 10 plus years of experience guiding GATE Aerospace aspirants and other GATE aspirants. Okay, and I pursued my master's from IIT Madras. Okay, and I have also worked 9 years in industry. Like I left my last job as a tech leader, tech lead. Okay, and I have worked completely in aerostructural analysis area. Okay, that is my core domain. Okay, I will also assist you guys for this aerostructure related subjects like basic SOM, mechanical vibration, thin wall structure during your course. Okay, and for all other subjects, we have a subject specific team member. You guys can contact me for any kind of query. At least still I remember which topic to read from which book. But for all your doubts, I will share like my team's contacts with you guys to whom to refer you guys. Okay, so that is in brief, and I am second most experienced faculty in India for GATE Aerospace Engineering. Okay, so regarding this course, the first thing which many students ask, the classes are on weekends or weekdays. So I want to clarify you guys on this front. Classes is on both weekdays and weekends, like 4 to 5 days in a week. So usually Monday and Friday we don't take class. So like Tuesday to Thursday on weekdays, and then on weekends we have class on Saturday and Sundays. So weekdays timing classes are in night. This is the another concern sometime. So people think classes are in morning when they have college. No, classes are in night when you are free, absolutely free after your dinner. So 9 p.m. to max 11:30 p.m. But we try to wind up by 11 p.m. so you can sleep on time. Okay. Then Saturday class timing, it is evening after your college hours, like 5:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Sunday we take two classes for two subjects. So Sunday class will be for two subjects. Okay. Each will be of close to 2 hours, and in between we will give a break. Okay, so there will be around 1 hour break, like 5:30 to 7:30 one session, then 1 hour break, and then 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. Sunday classes will be in morning, and it will be like 9:30 to 11:30, then lunch break, and then 12:30 to 2:30. So these are the timings. Anyone have any concern in this?
No, sir.
You guys can respond me on chat also if you guys have any concern, okay, on this part. Okay, fine. Now another thing which will be like classes will be interactive, okay. Always you can interact during classes, no barrier in that, okay. You can ask doubts, okay, or you can interrupt the teachers in between if you have any concern to address. Now the course duration is total 500 hours. It is 8 to 9 months, like from Feb 3rd week to November end.
Sir,
Yeah.
so what 2023 to 24 batch means?
I'll explain. This is see that see details are same for 23 also, 24 also. I'll explain this point when
Oh,
we come at the down. So 23 means what? See 23 gate who all can write. Third year student can write. Fourth year student can write or passed out can write.
okay.
So we complete 100% syllabus, or we are going to complete 100% syllabus by November end. Either it is you are a third year student, fourth year, or passing student or passed out student. Okay. Now 24 means what? Those who are in third year, they are going to take 1 year additional support after gate 23. Okay. So that is what 24 means. Okay. Is it clear, Mr. Jasurya?
Sir, yes, sir. I am currently finished the third semester, sir.
Yeah, so that means you will be taking support till 24, okay, from us. So no issue in that. Yeah. Now
So I can
syllabus,
write 2023.
yeah, of course in third year you can write GATE, okay, and then again in fourth year you can write. You will be passing engineering in 24, right? If I am correct.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can write both GATE, okay?
Thank you, sir.
All right. Now, syllabus covered means we'll be teaching you all subjects, including basic subjects, core subjects. Then we'll be also teaching engineering mathematics from day one, and we'll be also assisting you guys for general aptitude, mainly numerical aptitude. Okay, for your English and grammar part, we'll be sharing assignments and some open source references. Okay. Now classes will be, as mentioned, live interactive. You can interact as like in offline classes, okay? And you should have a feeling of classes. That's why I told. Many people may say they are providing online classes, but they are providing just recorded classes. Okay, we are not like that. Online classes means class will be live interactive. It will be scheduled like offline class. That's one thing. Second thing, some people even provide live interactive classes in market in aerospace, but they don't provide recording. Okay, they charge extra for recording. We do not charge any extra amount for recording. In the same fee structure, you will get live classes also and recording of that particular live class, whichever you attend. So this helps a lot in revisiting lectures for your any doubts or if you miss any class for any concern. So that's two thing. Third thing, as we mentioned, we will cover 100% syllabus on time, either it is technical or non-technical. We provide study material only in e-form. So what is the reason behind providing materials only in e-form? Because if you find interview of any gate topper, the first thing the gate topper will tell you कि you should make your own notes. So when you have to make your own notes, even if we provide hard copy material, you may not use 100%. Okay, so instead of providing hard copy material, we are going to provide you soft copy, which you guys can always use. Okay, during preparing your own notes and get best points out of that. So that's what. And this providing e-form material helps us in keeping fee lower, because currently we are the only institute which provide list fee structure. The maximum fee by us is 28K. You can check any GATE Aerospace Institute or any other GATE institute. You will not find this fee structure. Okay. Now, apart from study material, you will also get topic-wise assignments and topic-wise assignments for self-practice, and we also provide solution for most of these topic-wise assignments. And you will be also getting topic-wise online exams till November during your course completion, and after November you will have like subject exam, subject-wise exam. Okay. Also, you will have full-length exam. Everything will be provided in this test series part. Okay. Now there will be doubt classes. Once one particular subject is completed, you can compile your doubt and share us in PDF. Okay, and we will be taking all those doubts during the practice and doubt session. And there will be also doubt classes in the once like syllabus is completed in December, and some classes in January month if required for doubts. So this is about course. Now fee structure, the maximum fee is 28K. We have provided 10% concession till now, and this will be applicable till coming Jan 10th. So still 10% concession is applicable for few more days. Okay, in this fee structure. And now this 28,000 fee effectively or 25K fee with those who have some meritorious credentials, we have given the concession to them, is for 1 year, and this total fee is 45K for 2-year program. So the next year fee is 17K. So those who have paid this year for 1 year, so they have to pay for next year fee separately. Okay. Now you will get all e-books for every subjects, including core subjects, mathematics, aptitude, everything you will be getting from our side. So this is all about course part. Anyone has any doubt in this course part?
No, sir.
Okay, all right. Yeah. So good, guys. Yeah. Now the next important part is what our team. So for GATE Aerospace, not many institutes in market, and we are one among best, and we are the only institute in India who is a team-based institute. Okay, so that is the USP we have. If you compare with other institutes, our institute, we are not like 1 person or 2 person institute. So here for every subject, we have multiple subject experts, and they will be taking classes as per the, their schedule. So you can learn in depth. Like I'm only a specific expert in aerostructure. And if you take Nitin sir, he is only expert like in aerodynamics and aircraft stability, flight mechanics part. Or if you take Mr. Saras sir or Akshay sir, they are specific to aero propulsions. Okay, because they work in that domain itself. So we keep faculty as per their working expertise in industry also and from their academic background. And for mathematics and aptitude, of course, we have always multiple teachers. Okay, so since we have close to 3 batches now in a year, first is a Feb batch, then May batch, and the last batch is in July. We also have crash course, and which starts from November. So faculty will be taking their subjects according to their slots availability. Okay, so at least at IGC we have 2 faculty for every subject. Okay, and this year we will include few more faculties in team. Okay, so and those faculties, the new faculties will be also from IITs or ISC only, so they can assist you guys further in terms of doubt support or any other support. So this is all about team IGC. Now, which is more important for you guys again. So how we are going to cover this 100% syllabus on time? So the classes, as I told or I mentioned, are commencing from Feb 20, and here initially we'll be starting with 2 basic subjects, engineering mechanics and engineering mathematics. Engineering mechanics, you guys will be knowing, it's a basic of your structures basics or fluid mechanics basics, also or flight mechanics basics. So in engineering mechanics, there are 2 parts basically. One is static and dynamic. Both we will be covering well. So those concepts will help you guys during your other subjects, especially solid mechanics or during your flight mechanics or fluid mechanics. Then next subjects will be starting solid mechanics when this engineering mechanics is completed in April month. And once this good progress in solid mechanics and engineering mathematics, will be starting from May month, fluid mechanics basics, which is like your aerodynamics basics, which starts with like what you have learned in your first 2 semester in engineering in fluid mechanics. So those things will be done. There are a couple of questions in GATE Aerospace from fluid basics, like fluid properties, kinematics, dynamics, boundary layer, and there are frequent questions from boundary layer and your Navier-Stokes equations, conservative equations, and all. So these all we will be covering in fluid mechanics. Then from June, we'll be, once like fluid basics are done, and meanwhile this mathematics will be done. So we'll start to another subjects. One will be general aptitude. Another subject is aerodynamics. Okay, and like general aptitude is a small subject. So from July, we'll be starting thermo basics, and like thermo basics we teach till entropy and enthalpy, and then we move to gas dynamics because thermos are basics of gas dynamics and propulsion. So this is how we go. And another subjects we can start once like solid mechanics part is done is what aircraft structures, and usually we take a bit in sometime in July month. And gas dynamics and aircraft structures done, then if any part is pending from aerodynamics, in July month we will complete, and next sets of subjects will be taking in September or maybe in August end, is like aircraft performance and mechanical vibration. Because this aircraft structures is a small subject, but if you take solid mechanics, it's a quite big subject, and it is one of the most important subject. It is asked like 8 to 10 marks in GATE exam, the solid mechanics. Okay, so thin walled structure or aircraft structure is asked like 2 to 4 marks, and mechanical vibration is again an important subject. I am talking about these subjects because I take up these subjects like solid mechanics, aircraft structures, mechanical vibration. Then from October month, once like performance part is done, we start aircraft stability, and we'll be starting this jet propulsion from early October. It's a big lengthy subject because it has 2 parts. Like after jet propulsion, we have rocket propulsion. So once we have good progress or we complete jet propulsion, we'll be taking rocket propulsion and space dynamics. It's a very small part in your GATE aerospace syllabus. So 2 to 3 classes maximum is required, and we'll be taking this at November end. So this is how we'll be completing 100% syllabus on time, and we have been doing it from last 4 years. Okay, this for February batch we complete GATE syllabus in 2 months, 2 month advance of GATE. So you'll have ample amount of time, to practice well afterwards. But the only thing which I see missing in many students, they join with lot of enthu, but some of them are not able to carry forward their enthu till end. So guys, make sure you keep your enthu till end, and you utilize your last 2 months very well to get best rank. So any concern or any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, so you all clear with this, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so good. Yeah. Anyway, these details were shared with you guys in prior as well, but here we can discuss in interactive way. So these are the sample work. You might have gone through these work, right? Sample study material. I will show you guys also again once at the end of this session. So this is link for sample e-form materials, sample e-form assignments, sample online exams also available. Sample YouTube videos we are keep sharing on YouTube, many important stuff for GATE Aerospace Engineering. So you guys can follow us there, our subscribers, so you get all the updates. Now the next part is result. So this is GATE 2021 result. So in GATE 2021, we got 36 people in top 100, okay, and in top 10, 6 people were associated with IGC. Okay, so you can say these are the best result produced by any institute in last 10 to 12 years, in fact, in a particular year. And GATE 2021 paper was very tough. Okay, so this result in toughest paper, and our first rank I got marks 84. The highest marks by AR1 was 84. So you guys can understand the kind of efforts put by our team. Even in toughest paper, we can score that much. And this year again, I'm saying you guys, we may have more people than what you are seeing here in top 10. Okay, because I am keenly observing mock exam results, and I'm seeing many people in IGC exams secure. They secure usually more than 60 marks, and this 36. I hope it goes to 50 people in top 100 this year. Okay, for 2022, and we are putting our best efforts for that. Let's see, how well we are doing, but definitely we must cross this 36. We should get more than that in top 100. So these are the people, and you can see these are the another set of peoples. Now I'll talk little bit on this result part, because you can see here our result is most authentic from day one, not just for 2021, because we share the complete information, the guy's name, from which college they belong, what rank they have got, all these. Okay, and you can find these guys anywhere on social media and can ask honestly what kind of support IGC has provided. We have already shared a couple of their YouTube interviews, their feedbacks with you guys and others. So, guys, okay, and this all is possible with the team support, whatever achievement we have got in a couple of years. Now, this is about 2021 results. Before that, our classes were offline, and in offline classes, we were teaching limited students. Like everyone cannot come to Bangalore, right? So we were teaching some 40, 50 students, okay? And we were getting best rank out of those, whoever is a sincere student. And some of these also like DLP students as well. So, like in 2021, we got this opportunity due to this lockdown and all to reach more people, and we materialized it very well. Okay, this is 22, and you can see our fee is almost same from last 3-4 years. We are charging students only 25,000 around, and you guys will be knowing people in Chennai and other places how drastically charge higher fee than us. Okay, So this is 2019 result, and one thing which we got in 2019 result is like Manoj Beshya. So Manoj Beshya, you guys can see he is a AR4, but by engineering or graduation he was not aeronautical or aerospace engineer. He was a chemical engineer. He's trusted us because we work as a team, like multiple subject experts. He came all the way from Assam to Bangalore after leaving his job from Kolkata, and we taught him complete aerospace engineering within 8 to 9 months, and he has put tremendous effort, and finally he got AR4. Okay, so that was a turning point for team IGC. After his feedback and reviews, we started getting more sincere students, and you guys can see here it got reflected, and finally it had made us number one across India. I will say I have not seen such hardworking students like Manoj, many students, or you can say Niladhari, who got rank AR1 in 2021 with marks 84. He was one of the best or most consistent guy. Okay, during mock exam or writing mock or putting efforts. So your hard work matters a lot. Now, our journey basically started for GATE coaching for aerospace or other engineering branch in 2017. And this is the result from 2018. It was a quite humble result. We got only 3 people in top 100 that year. Okay. Because, when we started, we were new guys without any, background of, putting purchase rank and all. So with our hard work, the first year in 2017 was our first GATE exam, and we started in August 2016, but that year result was kind of zero. In 2018, for 2018 GATE, in 2017 we started early in a Feb month around, like we are going to take classes for you guys. And that year paper was very easy. When easy paper is there, competition will be too tough. So we got best rank 27, and now this guy is a DRDO scientist. He got in DRDO with the GATE rank. He also got in DGCA also. This guy is in IIT Madras, has completed master. This guy is actually didn't join in any aerospace master's program. He joined IIT Roorkee because he was very good in aptitude. So he had CAT score also, and he topped there in IIT Roorkee. This guy Raj Gopal joined IIT KGP, and this guy is there Parthajit Majumdar. So he was from mechanical. So that time we were teaching two branches, mechanical and aerospace, but now we teach 6 branches. Apart from aerospace, mechanical, EC, electrical, instrumentation, and CSE. So this guy was from NIT Calicut, and with our support, he got in Assam Power Corporation Limited in his home state in PSU. So this was 2018. Now, recently in 2021, there was a permanent job vacancies in HL. There was a HL design trainee jobs in HL. They took exam for that and then finally interview. So our IGC has provided support for that HLDT program, and our 11 students cleared written exam. Out of 11, 2 got finally because they selected 34 people for interview. Out of that, 11 from IGC were there, and finally they selected 5 people from Aerostream, and out of 5, 2 are from IGC. So Mr. Sadsivani Tarun is from Sastra College, and Aarti Anil Kumar Nair from Amrita College. So they got selected. And he's a Mr. Ram Gopal Soni. He's from Punjab, one small college. And then after finishing his master's from IIT Bombay, he joined DRDO as a scientist based on 2018 GATE score. Okay. These are the few feedbacks you guys can see. These are the feedback by Mr. Manoj, Mr. Saruk Ali about our post-gate guidance and test series stuffs. This is the feedback by Mr. Vedant Gupta, AR5 2021. And these are the feedback for our online teaching, the way we teach and we keep things. Okay. So these are the other feedbacks by Megha Bharadwaj, Rajpreet Singh. These are the Ram, Sony, you guys can read. Okay. So guys, any concern till now? I think these more of results feedback you guys can read in shared PDFs. Okay, these are the another sets of feedback. Yeah, this is the another important USP of IGC. You can say in IGC our support is 24/7. What it means, if you have any doubt during non-class hours, you can share in our doubt forum in WhatsApp group. So either your fellow mates will reply. You can see this discussion is in midnight, 12:14 a.m. So even that time also, if someone is there, he will discuss. Mr. Akshay is now our IGC teammate, so you can see the doubt support. Pratik sir, you can see. So this is like another important things we will be keep doing, supporting doubts spontaneously whenever you share doubt. Okay, especially last 2 months are very important when gate exam is closer by and many people write mock exams. So you can see these are the doubt form, very active doubt forum we have. And the last and most important part is our test series. This is another USP. Our series is most effective test series in GATE Aerospace Engineering domain. And we have divided our test series very systematically in a topic-wise exams, then subject exam. Okay, guys. So topic-wise exams, then subject exams, and okay, just a moment. Yeah. So topic-wise exams, you can see for every subjects we have multiple exams, and for every topic we have exams. So we start with mathematics, aptitude, engineering mechanics, fluid mechanics, solid mechanics, thermal basics, gas dynamics, aerodynamics, propulsion. So why we have divided this test series in topic-wise? Because if you are good in every topic, then definitely you will be good in whole syllabus. So till November, we will be running all these topic-wise exams, and if you thorough with topic, then whole syllabus exams or subject exams will be quite easier. Then from December first week, we take these exams, which are subject exams throughout December with module exams. There are 4 module exams and around 20 odd subject exams we take, 15 around, not 20. And then 10 full length exams in January month. Like these are kind of exact gate exams. So we take 10 full length mock exams, and these are more than enough. And for if you join IGC, or if you have already joined IGC, you will not required to look here and there for any support. You will not required to look for any support. We'll be providing you guys each and every subject, every support. Either it is for good classes or class recordings, good study materials, good assignments for self practice or exam or doubt. Every support you will get. So you will not required to pay anything extra for anywhere. So that's all from this course part, and you guys can see us in different places. You guys can reach on this number, our mail IDs, our websites, and our FB page, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere we are. And our offline class center is in Bangalore, but currently we are not taking any offline classes. In future, if we take any offline classes, it will be conducted at Hindustan College near Kala Mandir, in Marathali, Bangalore. You guys will be knowing Bangalore, where HL, NL, ISRO are located. Those places are closer by to Marathali, and our office is at Panatur, nearby Marathali. So these all details regarding course part. So guys, any doubt in this course part, or if you want to ask any particular specific thing related to course? Shivam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So you had few concern, right? So now some of the things are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And I will tell about the schedule part also. Okay. And I will show our portals also, how those things works. Okay. So any other doubts, anyone else? Hello, your voice is not that clear.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. All right. So thank you. So we'll quickly move to next part in this session. Okay. So the next important part is, I'll share this also. Just a moment. Let me share this part. Okay, so the next important things which you always need to go through is IGC website. So you'll find several information on IGC website. Okay, the few things you can go through always, like GATE syllabus, previous year's papers, or some of the open source materials. Okay, or you guys can go through sample materials available here. You can see here, this is how the IGC materials look like. Okay, so you'll get a crisp and to the point materials for every subjects here. Okay, or you can go through sample assignments shared here on this like you can take any subjects, you take space dynamics, you can see these are the questions which you need to practice, okay, after whatever topic is done. Or you can take up any other vibration assignments. So you can see these are the assignments you can go through. Or you can take any other subject materials, you take flight mechanics, okay. So these are the materials available in Google Drive. Okay. Now the second important thing apart from these previous year's questions, material is which you guys should do. We take student feedback after every live class. Next morning we share this feedback form. So you guys must share your feedback about that particular subject or class. Any concern or any problem or any doubt or anything which you guys want to take extra or expect from us, you guys can share in feedback, and this feedback directly shared with concerned faculty, and whatever improvisation is required we do. So this is student feedback form. And the next is what GATE class schedule. So how it will be. So like every Monday we share the class schedule, and you can see this is the class schedule. So for every week you will get the class schedule, and you can see this is the class schedule in December month. So you can see on Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday were classes. So you will be seeing the class timing, the subject name and faculty will be taking classes. So in this IGC website, we are or in IGC we are very transparent. You can see the even class schedule of previous year's GATE also. You can see 2019 GATE. So in October month, you can see what classes we were taking. So if you take this, so these were the classes. And those days classes used to be on weekends only, Saturday and Sunday. So you can see this the timing. Sunday whole day you can see the class, Like each class used to be of 4 hours or 3 hours minimum in offline classes. Now, since the classes are online, so we have reduced the duration and we have made it more flexible. So these are the things you see at IGC. Okay. So the next important part in IGC is what this online coaching portal. So the classes will not be on this platform which you called WebEx. Now we are connected through, but classes will be on this IGC online coaching portal. So before 1 week of around class, you will get the credentials for this portal. And like once we start this class will look like this. You guys will able to see. You guys will able to join this class through your credentials. So this is the IGC classroom environment. It is very it's like one of the best platform to take online classes, you can say. Here like chat is like WhatsApp. If you type anything, I will able to see what you are typing. And here we have the good option to write, and you'll get excellent this recording also in this. So here I will able to see all the users like once you join. So this is about this IGC online platform. Now the one thing which I will show further is what the recordings. So you will get for every subject one subject link, and all the recording will be available below in that. So you can see here these are the recording, all the recording for these subjects. And if you click on this presentation part and provide your credentials, you will able to visit these recordings, and you will see the recording will be HD quality recording, very good quality recording. You can see it's very clear. Okay. And all the communication will be here recorded, either you speak or type. So whatever doubts you can type, you can answer. There are many good features in these recordings. Okay, you can directly jump to this particular slides and you can go to this question. Okay, and we solve many questions during classes. So this is about the portal. You can reduce the speed according whenever you want to go through recordings, and there are multiple options. You can go through this whole views, these views, or there are multiple options. Okay, whatever way you want to watch, you can watch. Okay, but the only things while classes, as of now we are not keeping video on, because many people have faced this due to internet issue. They may get the delay and all. Okay, so we keep learning very simple, no fancy 3D 2D and all. So you will see we write what all required, like these questions. If you see, just a moment, let it run. Or yeah. So we'll be writing solution. Okay, and the questions will be more of kept in the type format, so which reduces our time or efforts. So you can see the solution is discussed here. Okay, so this is how this IGC learning platform. Okay. Now the next important part is online test series portal. So this is our online test series portal, and it is very well built. You guys will get credentials for this as well once you this online exams starts by Feb end. Okay, So here you can see exams and you can filter all the exams here. Okay, these are the subject and means these topic wise exams are there. If you take aircraft performance, it's all related exams. You can see here subject exams, so there may have multiple subjects exams are there. We can filter with subject wise. You can see this module wise. Let's see subject wise. So you can see all listed exams subject wise, and these exams contain all three kind of questions which are asked in GATE exam, like NAT. In GATE exams, the questions will be NAT or MCQ or MSQs. So you will find all kind of questions which is asked in GATE exams. Okay. Now these are the full syllabus exams. So if I attend any full syllabus exams, let me attend the pre. Okay, yeah. So let me attend any full syllabus exams. You can see this exam if I attend. Yeah. So this is how, you know, in GATE exam, you will see the GATE exam portal. It is exactly replicating that. You can see there will be two sections, general aptitude and core aerospace engineering. You can see here the virtual calculator, and it is quite fast. Okay. And you can see here time running in seconds and minutes. You can see all 65 questions. This is the NAT questions. You can see here 2 marks, -0 for NATs. You can see this is the multiple choice, multiple answer question, which is known as MSQs. It is of 2 marks and negative is 0. You will see this is another NAT. You can see this is the NAT, or this is the MCQ. MCQ means multiple choice single answer question. So here negative marking will be there. So you can attend all the questions like escape trajectories like parabolic trajectory, as we know. So you can answer the questions, and you submit exams, and once you submit exams, like if it is a NAT, you cannot type anything from your keyboard. You have to use only mouse, okay, during your exam. So given biaxial stress system shows that, so it is MSQ. So this MSQ is like it's a plane stress problem, plane strain problem, and more circle will be origin. So if I do this, yeah, this is another question, or here, yeah. So where was, yeah, this is the NAT. So in NAT you can answer like anything, and let's submit the result. So once you submit result, immediately you will see the result. So this is the final mock exams result. My rank is 132. Okay, and you can see these are the people who have secured more than 60 marks. So you will see definitely many of these students will be getting top 10 rank. Okay, you guys can take even a screenshot of this. Okay, and you can verify this in March month. I can assure you, you will find people among these in top 10 and top 20. So these are the IGC exams. So here one thing, we don't provide detailed solution in IGC exam. Either you are class student, test series or DLP. You have to explore yourself after exam, okay, or you share us for any doubt support. So in test series, we don't provide any kind of detailed solution. You have to always explore yourself. So if it is a correct, then it will be highlighted in green. If I do mistake, it will be highlighted in red. And if I do not attend any questions, it will be highlighted in white. So these are the mistakes I have done. Okay. So this all from this course, which is for GATE 2023 and 2024. And if you guys have any questions or any doubt, I'll be happy to take and happy to answer. And we will have demo sessions on coming Sunday. Sunday it is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. We'll be taking demo session on coming Sunday. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So any doubt or any concern? So demo, see, I used to take the same day, this introduction part, but this year since we want to take 2 demo classes, which is of technical classes, so the timing is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, and the link will be same for demo class, WebEx link itself. Okay, so we'll be taking through that. Yes. So any concern or any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Yeah. So now things are clear, guys. How we are going to do, what we are going to do. Mr. Rutvik, any concern or anything? So Rutvik, 2-3 things I will tell you. See, we believe teaching whole gate syllabus one time in the best possible way. Okay, you know 4 years of engineering can we teach in 2-3 months, Rutvik?
No, sir.
So how you can complete syllabus 3 times in a year? Tell me. You
Yeah,
simply write formula, it will get completed, right? So do you think that kind of teaching is required or helpful?
No, sir. Absolutely not.
Yeah, so we will not do that practice. And anyway for revision we are providing you recorded classes, right? So if you have
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts, you can go through recording and ask. Okay, so that's what. And another thing, Rutvik, in terms of revision, you asked me that also, right? Yes, we take
Yes, sir.
crash course. So some student, if they are interested, they can attend crash course classes also. And apart from that, we will have
Sir, for
separate.
attending crash course, we have to pay extra, right, sir?
Free depends. Sometime you may require to pay. Sometime if seats are available for existing students, we may provide, without that also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And instead of crash course, see, crash course when you should take, if you have really missed many classes, okay, live classes, then you can ask, sir, I have missed many classes, so I am interested. So we will see if the seats are available, you can attend. Second thing, anyway, for you guys, we will have separate out classes and all in December month, because those classes like crash course and those classes will go hands and hands, like parallel. So you have to join any one of them. Okay. Yes, Shivam. Yes, Shivam. What is your doubt?
Sir, the doubt sessions will be available. I want to say that the doubt sessions it will be in the every week or how is that like that? I just want to
See,
know.
doubt classes, as I told, like one subject is completed, okay,
Okay.
then there will be doubt session for that.
Okay.
Okay, that is the one. Second thing, doubt session will be further in end, like December and some classes in January, when you have test series related doubts, or initially you might not have asked some doubts. So those will be another doubt sessions. Or during classes also, before class or during class or after class, you can ask some of the doubts if you have more doubts.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, fine. Anish, do you have any specific question?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yes, Anish.
Sir, I'm Krishna.
May I know who is the Krishna, right? Yeah, yes,
Yes,
Krishna.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Krishna.
Sir, regarding topic wise and subject wise, we don't have any doubts, sir, till now, what you have said.
Mm-hmm.
While coming to problem solving, will you
Mm.
teach how to solve means in the best method can you teach, sir?
See, what usually you have seen that na, the recording I have shown you. So you might have seen some of the problems there, right?
Yes, sir.
So we solve ample number of problems, specifically all previous year's questions. Okay.
Okay.
So your great previous year's questions will be short and tricky. So definitely you will get many shortcuts or many specific approaches, okay, which may not be there in your textbook. Specifically, if you take example, beam theory, right? In beam theory, you know, there is a topic
Yes,
called
sir.
deflection of beam. Krishna, have you heard about that?
Yes, sir.
So in deflection of beam, which approach you use usually in your semester exams or anything? Moment
Not
curvature
remembering.
method, right? Integration method.
Okay. Okay.
But we don't use that approach because it is quite lengthy. So we solve all the questions of deflection of beam of previous year's problem either by strain energy or method of superimposition.
So
Okay.
strain energy, we also call it as energy method.
Yeah, energy method, correct. So method of superimposition will be highest used, okay, by me. So in method of superimposition, what you need to know? You need to know some particular number of formulas for simple problem. If you know those formula, then you can solve any previous year's gate questions within few minutes, okay. If you take this moment method, it will take a hell lot of time finding integration constants and so on. Okay, I just gave one example. Like that, there are many things. Yes, Krishna. And if you want to see, there are more lectures also shared by me or my other team members on YouTube. You can go through, Krishna. Anyway, we are going to do live demo class also. That also help you, you know, to further clarify your concern. Yeah, Mr. Anish, I was coming towards you. You are from INE branch. You are new to aerospace engineering. Any particular concern? Anish? I think he's there or not. Okay. Anyway, any other? Yes. May I know who is this?
See,
Yes,
a
Navya.
part
Yes.
of assignments provided in Drive. Will we get any extra assignments?
Extra assignments means what? Like we have every topic assignments now. Then we will share your textbook also. But Navya, I will tell you frankly, these are more than enough. Even what I see, many people are not able to complete that topic-wise exam still now. Okay, forget November end. Those many exams are there. You will have many assignments, so those will be more than enough. If you want extra, then contact me. I'll suggest. But what I say sincerely, solve all available topic-wise assignments, topic-wise exams by November. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, yeah. So you guys can see that thing also, for this IGC work. One thing which I would like to highlight is how the work is shared. So, just a moment. Yeah. So you can see if you have access to this provided Google Drive, you will see all e-books are provided, right?
Yes, sir.
So there you can find quite many questions, right? If you want to do extra practice. So for every subjects you can see e-books are provided. If you take fluid mechanics, what is best e-books? Even you can see there are 2,500 solved problems in fluid mechanics book that is provided. So you can take your own initiative and can solve problems. But I will say more of stick to what we suggest. So your preparation will be in line with our support. Okay, you should not overemphasize any subjects during your preparation. Every subject is important. Okay, getting Navya my point? So we have to work hard for every subject so we get best marks in GATE exam. Even you will find some of the books, their solution also. If you take the best books for vibration is SS Rao. Okay, and there is a solution for SS Rao is available. If you take other aircraft structure, so this magazine is there with solution. If you take my subject solid mechanics, the solution is there for this Gare book, which I follow along Gare book itself. So like that, if you take Anderson's, the solutions are available for those Anderson books also. If I see where is aerodynamics and yeah, fluid mechanics and aerodynamics. So you will see the solution also. Yeah, you can see solution for Anderson's. So like that, you have to follow if you want to do extra.
So,
Yeah.
for some core subject, will you suggest to buy some hard books?
This is up to you, how you are. See, nowadays we all are, spending too much time on mobile, laptop. So we are virtually accustomed, right? So if you can read e-books, no books is required, because we will be sharing every book. But still, if you are, the old, concepts, yeah, that is the traditional concepts of reading, right? Buying a hard copy and studying. You can buy these all books available in e-commerce market, or you can buy from nearby shop also. Okay, but not many books, specific books, which is the top books for, like if you take propulsion, so you should buy only 2 books, Roger Cohen and this V Ganeshan. If you take structures, only 3 books. For strength of material or solid mechanics part, only Gare or Gare Goodno or Timoshenko Gare. If you take structures, Thingwald, Maxon. If you take vibration, SS Rao. If you take aerodynamics, only books you should buy is what? John D. Anderson and E. Radhakrishnan. So like that, be specific to that. Okay, now come to materials and assignments. So you can see there are the multiples drive. So here you can find materials for every subjects. Okay, so these are the materials, IGC materials, and the previous year's paper also solution available for every years. Okay, some still in review, will be completing and will be posting here. You can see here, these are the assignments. So there are ample number of assignments available. You can see propulsion itself, we have around 12 assignments total. So I think these are a good number of problems. Okay, clear? Nagis, your concern is clear? Yeah. Anyone else having any other concern? So I think we are done, right? We can wind up this session now.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. So thank you all for joining this session, and now let's start a technical journey from Sunday. Okay. Thank you all. All the best and welcome to ITC again. I am hoping you all will put your best efforts.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Take care, guys.
Yes,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care, guys. Bye.